Hello guys, and welcome back to Boba Slots. And in today's video, okay, it's a bit of a different video and I'm recording on my phone, so it's a bit crappy, but okay, we have no choice. Okay, this is this is all I got for today because my laptop isn't working all of a sudden. But anyways, before we carry on with this video, if you want to try any of the websites or games on my videos, check out my link tree in the description below. And yeah, yes, links to everything including my socials. So with that, basically I went and played. I had no intentions of playing any Hacksaw slots today, but I haven't seen it. I haven't seen the game, so this is I'm reacting to what I saw. Are you kidding me? You know, like recently I've been always I've recently, like, okay, how do I say, been pretty obsessed with epic bonus, and to actually hit the hidden, this is my first ever time playing a hidden epic bonus that wasn't a bonus buy. Because okay, I've gotten it in 666 before, but that's because I bought the most expensive bonus and I gambled the bonus. I mean, if you play 666, you know what I mean. If not, you have no idea. Okay, so every spin is guaranteed to have this. Okay, I mean, like, how is this supposed to... This has to be really easy every time. Yeah. Okay, so we're hoping for multiple and maybe a very big. Hang on, I really hope this. I'm praying for at least 200, which is 1,000x a month. I mean, it has to, right? I mean, so far it's 9. Okay, we need multiple versus. This is oh, big number. Wait. I just realized this should be easier to pay more than what I'm saying. 50? Oh my god, that is great. Holy shit. Okay, I'm totally underestimating. Oh my god. That was nice. I don't know this one. No, oh my god. Oh, this. Am I supposed to be hoping for max win? Like, I don't know. This is my first. So every spin is guaranteed for versus and it's a slicer. This is fucking crazy. Like, it's burning. Now you want me to 3 versus anything. Okay, so this is guaranteed to be good. Come on. Oh, that's decent. That's pretty decent. Honestly, the only thing that's really consistently paying is that wall. Come on. I don't know if this is a flop. I don't know. Maybe I should be hoping for next week or buzz. I don't know how to do expectations. Only one spin is more than one person. Okay, but I mean all of this for fucking great. Like, I'm not complaining. Like, so this is basically like close to 2,000. Like, okay. And yep, that's it for the video. I mean, yeah, I just want to share this epic bonus. Fucking crazy. This is my first time like hitting an epic bonus. Yeah, I mean, I would actually call it my first time, other than 66. So yeah, that's it for the video, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.